hi. Oh my goodness, Cindy, it's so good to see you. How are you? Whew. Let me catch my breath here for a second. Happy Tuesday. It's so good to see you in here. I love this. We're going to go through this grocery haul, like I was mentioning. We do not have class this week, so you're still going to get to see what I'm going to eat. And let me make sure, let me take a drink of water again really quick. Give it a minute before everybody gets here. Hope you're having a beautiful Tuesday. Hope you're feeling good. Hope everybody's staying cool and safe. There's all kinds of stuff going on out there. Let me know who's here. Let's hear it on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 is forget about it, Stephanie. I've had it today. And 5 is I'm actually slaying it. I got this down and I can't wait to keep practicing what you're bringing home so we can throw it down. That's where I'm at today, you guys. High energy. I'm filled up with plants and I can't wait to show you what I'm bringing home. Good morning, Amy. It's so good to see you. Literally so good to see you. Every single one of you. This is Tuesday's grocery haul and I bring this in every week because practicing what to bring home is probably one of the most important things I've ever done in my entire life. People ask me all the time, Stephanie, what do you eat in a day? Stephanie, what do you eat in a week? Really what matters is what I'm bringing home from the grocery store every week. That's probably the number one thing that we can start doing. Good morning. It's so good to see you on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 is forget about it. Not going there today. And 3 is I'm here, I'm getting it. And 5 is I'm actually absolutely slaying it. I'm excited to show you guys something because like I said, good morning. It's so good to see everybody. Good morning. I love you guys. I'm so good to see I'm so glad to see everybody. Not only are we going to guess the grocery haul this morning, what I want to talk about is people ask me all the time, what do I eat in a day? What do I bring home? It's really what I'm bringing home is what I'm going to tell you. And I talked a little bit on the podcast this week about people ask me all the time, is there a fast track? The fast track is the people in Plantspiration, okay? These are the people that are learning how to turn their lives around. These are the people that are learning how to get this down. These are the people that are showing up every week and they're making progress and they're not giving up, okay? This is Plantspiration and this is my grocery haul this week. We do not have a class, but inside Plantspiration, we're proving every week that this works. Down 2,792 pounds. But what I'm most proud of is the people getting off medications, the people going to the gym, the people changing their lives. And yes, it starts with this fuel. So let's get down to business this week. What I've got in my grocery haul, I had a new cashier at the grocery store and these bags are out of control. So I have no idea what's coming, but I'm going to show you what we're going to eat this week. And if you're a Plantspiration member, you'll be watching us live in the group. You guys, I'm still going live in the group and we're going to make sushi really quick with the family. Show you how we make it super fast. Okay, let's get down to this bag right here. This week I have the sourdough bread. We have been making those Bruce Leo sandwiches because they literally kick ass. They're mushrooms, there's carrots, there's sprouts on it, there's everything. So we could obviously be making some avocado toast with that kind of stuff. We could put peanut butter and jelly on that kind of stuff. But that's what we've got if people are eating bread up in here. My daughter comes and visits all the time. She loves these silken soy yogurts. They're coconut yogurts. They're fantastic as an alternative. They still are a little high in fat. I teach low fat, high fiber for people preventing and reversing disease. But for some alternatives, this is going to be great for you guys. So delicious, so delicious. If you want to add it to a dessert or something like that. I love pasta. Okay, people ask me what I'm eating. I'm eating pasta almost every single day to keep 100 pounds off and slay. All right, brown rice pasta. What I love about this is, of course, the ingredients. It's just brown rice pasta. Winning, okay? Low fat, high fiber. We are going to eat that pasta with probably some broccoli, some chili sauce, some maybe spaghetti sauce. We've got cucumbers. This is like hydration. This is like eating water. Being healthy doesn't mean we don't get crunchy, delicious stuff. So every week I'm bringing home cucumbers. I'm going to put those on a Buddha bowl. I'm going to put those on sandwiches. I'm going to put them in my mouth. I know, right? The lawnmowers are going out here while I'm doing this, but I'm just showing you guys. You just keep on going, right? This is the guest of honor today. Isabel, what are we going to do with these cucumbers?
Cucumber salad, sushi.
We're gonna be doing sushi on Wednesday night. That's how we rock and roll, sushi. So if you're a member, get in there. We're gonna go live at 7 p.m. Central, and we're literally gonna make the rice in 3 minutes. We're gonna chop it up and we're gonna eat it up. I have a couple higher fat things in here. We do need nuts and seeds in small amounts. So I've got another bag of raw cashews. We could make Parmesan cheese with this. You could make Parmesan cheese with this, okay? Or you could make some of all the cheesy without the diseasy sauce. So we're still eating that stuff. I'm still keeping it simple. This is what I've been practicing every week. There is no quick fix for I've kept 100 pounds off for 14 years. Let me just show you guys something. All I wanted to do was get into my skinny pants. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to diet. And then I just kept eating my plants off. And then that happened, okay? Because I kept bringing home groceries like these. These lemons, these are going to go on greens. These are going to go, what did we put them in this week? A cheesecake dip. More dates. Dates are like nature's candy, okay? I love dates with... How many of you guys are eating dates? And good morning. I'm so glad you're here. How many of you guys have dates in your pantry? I want to know. Give me a D if you've got dates. We've got through the basic stuff right here. And if you've got pasta, give me a P. I want to know if you've got pasta out there, because this is what we should be eating to set off our own Zempic, you guys, our own GLP-1. We need carbohydrates, we need greens, and we need beans. So get that whole grains, greens, and beans. That's the mixture right there. We're going to take care of that. Okay, let's see what else we have. We've got romaine calm. That's what we have in the refrigerator every week, all the time, all right? We're going to chop that up, and we're going to put them in the bottom of bowls with rice, with vegetables on them, or on tacos. This is the rolling greens taco meat. No oil needed. 2 cups of water, let it get to a boil, throw this in, one and done. You've got tacos in 5 minutes, okay? What do you put the tacos on? Corn tortillas. Simple, easy, cheap. There is no fast track, okay? Eat this stuff. Who's got corn tortillas? Give me a C. Rachel, you almost got everything ready for dinner. Or dessert, okay? You could have some pasta and then some dates for dessert. Put an apple with that. It's like a caramel apple. More rolling greens, because there's more than 2 of us here right now. And we've got pinto beans. This, if you guys want to live longer, if you want to lose weight, if you want to feel great, I got people getting off medications because they're eating more beans. They're eating more beans. And what better than beans that you just can rip this can open? No can opener needed. Little bit of a higher fat thing. We've got tahini. It's been months since I bought a jar of tahini. Months. We're going to use a couple tablespoons. Mix it up with some apple cider vinegar, some tamari. We've got a beautiful sauce to put over a bowl, okay? Nice and easy. More pinto beans, 89 cents. If you're hungry, eat more beans. People who eat beans live the longest, okay? Check out Blue Zones. Check out Plantspiration. That's what we're doing over here. More pinto beans, okay? High fiber, low fat. What's your favorite bean? Put that in the chat. Found these in replace of my usual like fiesta-ish corn. So we've got some Mexican style corn from Del Monte. We're putting these on our chipotle bowls is what I call them. It's brown. It's just the rice, then the greens, then the pinto beans, then the corn, then a little bit of hummus. And that's how we're building bowls. Super simple. More of it. So we have more in the pantry, because it's not about a recipe. It's what I bring home every week. That's the most important thing I can do. And keep making things that are simple and easy. That's what keeps people on track. Okay, that's how we're doing it. And of course, sauces. If you guys don't have sauces, I feel sorry for you, son. I got 99 problems and sauces ain't one. Look at these, tamari and this beautiful burn your mouth off sauce. We like that stuff. Okay, healthy people do eat good food, by the way. We're not eating grass, all right? We're eating good stuff so we can kick some, oh yeah, you know what I'm going to say. So we've got some company, so I picked up some options for cereal. I found a wheat bran flakes. I like the ingredients, 1 gram of fat. We're looking at 7 grams of fiber. You guys, this is a win, okay? This is a win for getting it down. You could put some raisins in here. You could put some blueberries in here. You could put some bananas in here. And you could put some soy milk in here. And then what are you guys going to be doing? You're going to be kicking ass, okay? I'm just going to say it. It doesn't have to be hard, okay? Keep it nice and easy. We also found another one. This is a little higher in fat at 1.5 grams of fat, but we're still looking at 3 grams of fiber. This is a win, you guys. Nice and easy. Little bit of this as a backup instead of maybe oats, or you could use brown rice. What else do I have? My favorite snacks, you guys. You know how easy these are to eat? Just rinse them off and eat them. That's it. That's all you need to do. And you can actually feel better doing something like that because you're not stressing. There is no quick fix. Every day you eat your plants off is another day you slay. I'm going to be putting these on Buddha bowls. I'm going to be putting these on my taco bowls, and I'm going to be putting these in my mouth. They're great, okay? Great, all right? Okay, this is some of my favorite stuff right here. People don't get enough iodine, so what better than getting some nori? And Wednesday night in Plantspiration, we're going live, and you're going to see us from start to finish make the quickest sushi. We do this almost every week. Little snacky. We've got some wasabi ones. We can roll it in that too. That's pretty cool. We keep those on hand all the time, all right? Don't forget to guess my grocery haul. Actually, who has nori in their pantry? I want to know. Do you have nori? Give me an N. And if you have brown rice or any type of rice, give me an R. I want to know who's got these foods ready to go. Look at this. Look at this. What do I eat? What do I eat? Stuff I bring home from the grocery store. And it starts with kale. I have kale every day. Okay, you guys? I put it in my smoothie. I could steam it up. I could saute it to taste like Polish sausage, for goodness sakes, or salami. We can do all those things. But what I want to know is, what greens do you have in your refrigerator? Put that in the chat box, okay? Because that's really what's important, is what you're bringing home. All right? That's the fast track to living longer and getting healthy right there. Yes, you're going to eat that rice and you're going to keep on crushing it. Look at you guys got breakfast, lunch, or dinner with that rice. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? What else do I have? More romaine. You could put some romaine with that rice. You could put some beans with that rice. Look what you've got right there. I'm going to see the rice. Look at this. You've got all the foods. All right, now I want you to eat them. I also have some cauliflower. Sure, I could make some cauliflower wings, but I'm just going to chop this up and I'm going to dunk it in hummus, and it's delicious. It fills you up and it gets you where you need to go. Premium fuel, because you have a premium engine in there. Don't you want to fuel it up with good stuff? All right, we've got some avocados because they're on sale. Usually they're $300, but today they were only $1 each. That's a win. I'm going to get them, all right? We're going to be making avocado toast. I'm going to put a couple slices on my Buddha bowls or my taco bowls. Just a little bit each day takes you a long way, okay? That's how you do it. Look at this grocery haul. It's spectacular. I think it's spectacular. It's how I lost 100 pounds. It's how I keep on going. Yeah, you have a huge haul of kale. That's what I'm talking about. So braised kale for you, steamed kale. I would do like collard beans and black-eyed peas, but with kale. I would take steamed kale and I would put it with these potatoes. You could put them into French fries. You could make the taco kale salad. You could make smoothies. Oh man. I could go to town on kale. It's got everything we need. Also potatoes. These are fantastic. You could put, what's your favorite potato? And we had a talk at Plantspiration. Who's on the skin and who doesn't use the skin? Okay, because potatoes are fantastic. Low fat, high fiber. We are going to be making some sushi this week. So I've got my favorite white rice. Only ingredient is white rice. This is a win. Okay, look at those fat grams. Hardly anything. A half a gram of fat, that's where it's at. Now we might be making some tofu to go with our sushi. So tune in. I'll show you how to do that. We could also use tofu to just cube it, put it in the air fryer, make it taste like chicken or something. I said to somebody today, all we were doing before was putting plants on animals to taste like plants. Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. And I was like, you know what? Something to think about. You know what I'm saying? So here's the rice. Of course, we've got everything nice. We've got some more triple berry. I could probably put that with the rice and a little bit of maple syrup if I wanted to. What's most important is that I brought it home. See all the things we could do? We got some triple berry. We're putting these in blender berry oats this week and smoothies. It's going nice and easy. Who's got frozen berries in the fridge right now? I want to know if you're winning. Give me a B. All the potatoes, skin, not skin. We're going to be doing some potato skins. I think that's something we need to bring into class. So I'm going to get that going probably in the next class. More tofu, okay? It's easy. You could put this in the freezer. It was on sale, so I'm going to put this in the freezer. It actually gets more of a taco-y, meaty, thicker texture when we freeze it. But we've got some tofu in there. There we go. Yellow with the skin. That's my kind of potatoes. You know what I like my potatoes with? Broccoli. You know what broccoli should be called? Broccoli yay, because this stuff slay. Right here, this is how you get your protein, your fiber, your everything. Well, how do you guys eat your broccoli? Put that in the chat box. Good, you're ready to rock and roll with that B. There we go. There you go. You got it. You guys got what you need. Now you just got to get it in your body. Just get it in your body. Maybe chop up some onions so we get a little bit more flavor on that. Onions for days. What's your favorite onion? Put that. What kind of onions you have in your pantry? I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Another one of these. Avocados right here. All right, I'm not done. And we still have a grocery haul to go. Okay, more rice. Okay, we know rice is great. We've got to back up. This is my favorite rice in the store right now. Yes, it's cheaper and easier to buy rice and cook it from scratch. I agree 1,000%. I've been busy. Right now, I'd rather be riding my bike than making rice. Okay, so I'm going to freeze it and eat it. Brown rice. Nice and easy. Jasmine rice. Here's more of these yogurts. There's a vanilla one that you can have, Isabel. More soy yogurts right here. There they are. I'm going to stack them up, get them out of here. This is going to go on rice. It's going to go on oats. It's going to go in many things, okay? Just get that soy milk in that cereal. More. That's an old receipt. There we go. More of these. I think that's it. There we go. Usually I bag and I get it all organized, but not today. Somebody else took over, so this is how we're gonna slay. Bananas, all right? People ask me all the time, what's something fast I could snack on? Bananas, simplest, easiest, most delicious. Take it with you, put it in your pocket, put it in your purse. I'm bringing them with tonight. I'm going out on a date. I'm bringing those, okay? I'm bringing those. Oh my Lord.
Ready to eat some cereal now.
Exactly, right? These things are trying to get in my mouth already. This is another thing to take on the go. Nature's candy. Grapes. What's your favorite fruit? Put that in there. Let me see that. What was that, Isabel? Strawberries. I love grapes for days. I'd say John's is blueberries. His favorite fruit is blueberries, which I just realized I forgot. We've got oranges. You know what you could do with oranges? Peel them and eat them. Peel them and eat them. That's it. That's the fast track. That's the fast track right there. No thinking, no ordering, no worrying. More fast track. You could fit more of these in your purse than anything right here. Oranges, mandarins. Let's get those over there. Another red onion because we slay. I agree. Onions are the best. Oh, you like to roast it. Me too. Isabel makes them. I just stepped on a grape. Isabel steams the broccoli, puts it in the air fryer with like lemon, garlic, and pepper.
I just
Air fry it. Or bake it. And of course, apples, you guys. Apples are one of the fastest way to get healthy. Just start eating them. Actually, along with all this is the fastest way to get healthy. This is how you do it. There is no fast track to getting healthy, and we're proving it at Plantspiration. It takes time to learn what to bring home from the grocery store, how to get through a week on a regular Tuesday, how to deal with celebration and parties and stress and work. All of that. That's how people are slaying it at Plantspiration. So with that, let's guess this grocery haul. Numbers, please. What do you think we spent here today? I used 0 coupons. You guys know me by now. Any guesses? I think that's it. What are you guys practicing bringing home? Because this is how I did it. And this is how everybody's doing it at Plantspiration. Yeah, we're going to see a comedian. Okay, we're going to go get some lulls tonight. My total bill was $261.19. I also have a case of water in the back of the card just for reals. And this is how we do it, you guys. I'm going to be posting, of course, what I eat every single day because it isn't about the recipe. It's about the repetition. I want you to eat your plants off. Don't forget to drink your water. And please, right now, go text somebody you love. It's going to make you feel really good. All right, that's it, you guys. Get back to work. We got to